In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical text in Webflow, a skill that's both essential and easy to master once you know the steps. Whether you're designing a website or tweaking a current project, repositioning text can give your layout a fresh, dynamic look. So let's go through the process step by step. First, open your project in Webflow and navigate to the text element that you want to rotate. It could be a heading, a paragraph, or any text-based item you've placed within your design. Once you have your desired text element, go ahead and select it. Selecting the right element is crucial because any changes you make will only apply to what's selected, ensuring precision in your design. Next, direct your attention to the Style panel, which you'll find on the right side of your Webflow interface. The Style panel is essentially your control center for modifying HTML elements, from typography to spacing, and it's where we'll be working in this tutorial. As you scroll down this panel, you'll come across the Effects section. Here is where you can start creating those visual transformations that add character and differentiation to your web pages. In the Effects section, you're going to look for the option labeled 2D and 3D Transforms. Once you find it, there will be a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. This action allows you to add a new transform property to your text element. The transform option in Webflow is incredibly versatile, letting you modify elements in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional space, enhancing the visual complexity and appeal of your design. Now, you'll need to select the type of transform action you want. Since we're focusing on vertical text, choose the Rotate option from the drop-down menu. This will enable you to rotate your text on any axis you need. For vertical text, you'll be working specifically with the Z-axis. This axis allows you to rotate your text as if you're spinning it around its center point. Once you've selected Rotate, you'll see a slider appear near the Z label. At this point, you can either use this slider to adjust the rotation angle, or you can type a specific degree into the text box provided. For typical vertical alignment, you might rotate the text 90 degrees, but feel free to experiment with different angles to achieve that perfect look. And there you have it. With a few simple actions, you've successfully rotated your text in Webflow, creating a vertical orientation that can lend a creative touch to any project. Remember, the key to mastering Webflow is exploration and experimentation, so don't hesitate to try out different effects to find what best fits your design vision. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and techniques.